sweet home. This is where these guys are going to be spending winter. It's much nicer down here. It's warm, it's not raining. Luke's just going to take all these off now and put them out in a nice line. I'm going to stand here and watch. So currently all the entrances facing the other way. So as he picks them up, he's got to make sure that he's putting them down so that the entrances are facing south. Bees are sun-loving creatures, so we need to give them as much opportunity as possible to be warm, so when they face towards the sunshine all day, that really helps. Ambitious, he's got 4 colonies on there. Our beehive mover is really handy for bringing them back from the heather. The hives that tend to be about the same height, so you can take more off in one scoop. Which makes the job a lot faster. So the beehive mover's got a set of forks and a hydraulic like press on the top, which will push down onto the hives so that they don't fall off the forks as we're going over all the lumps and bumps that are in amongst the grass. Luke's actually been down this weekend with the flail mower and mowed the grass down. That really helps with ventilation over winter. Just seen Luke's taken the smoker with that last hive. Must have been attached to it for transport, so I'll have to go down and collect that. He looks like he's trying to take 4 off again. Let's see if he can get them. They are quite butt up to each other. We couldn't take 4 off without that top press that pushes onto the hives. Already know we move the hives open, so sometimes you get a few bees coming out wondering what's going on. That's usually just a sign of the colony being quite a large colony, but they're pretty chilled. They'll come out, they'll say hello, but they'll soon go back in. They're not sort of making any noise. They're probably just happy to be somewhere a bit warmer and less blowy than on the moors. We are very close to being fully unloaded. I think there was 22 hives in all on this trip. Let's go see what we've got left. Four on the back of the truck, got one there on the trailer. So it's been 7.5 minutes since I started filming, and we have 5 hives to go. Very careful with these hives that are on the edge, that he doesn't accidentally push them off the other side. And another 4 colonies coming off. After these 4, there's 1 hive to go, and then we'll